Yeah.
Okay, so present it and we'll start.
Anything is fine. You start. That's okay.
Click on present, so it's full screen.
Yeah.
So, hi everyone, welcome to Google Season of Docs 2021. Our proposal is to update the references section of Wechaty. Move on. So the organization is Wechaty, and the two technical writers are Shraddha, Vasant, Prasad and Soumi Bardhan. Our proposal is for the references section of Wechaty, and the project timeline is around 17 weeks from May 2021 to September. Moving on, the current state of the references page, after analysis of the introduction section, some issues were seen. That is, the references page is difficult to understand for first-time users technically. It is incomplete and abstract. Some pages have too much information which has not been divided into subsections. So it's difficult for a newcomer to understand. Many information is given in Chinese language only, and it's difficult for users to understand, and it is unstructured. So let's move on. For the proposed work, the references section contains the technical references for the APIs and other technical aspects of the Wechaty machinery. It describes how it works and the way it works. So the scope of this project is to improve the references section of the Wechaty JS.org website. Over to you, Shraddha.
Yeah, thank you. So basically, our proposed structure contains this following. Like, it actually describes what actually is Wechaty for all the users, be it technical or non-technical, and it will be in simple and comprehensible English. The next is like to describe the technical aspects of Wechaty in an easy and understandable manner. So the project structure is as follows. It contains the API references, which will further contain the use cases for API references and also code snippets wherever necessary, and also details about the user classes that can be used. Next is the polyglot. This section will also contain the code snippets with easy to understand examples, basically for the first time users in different programming languages. Next is the Puppet providers. This section will contain separate RPA modules for each of the messaging apps, such as WhatsApp, TikTok, etc., and add necessary code snippets to it. Next is the Puppet services, which will include all the Puppet services offered by Wechaty. Next is the project goals. So the main goal in our project are as follows. Like, we ensure to make a neat index so that we can search to the references section with ease, and also build a step-by-step guide for references. And the next is that we will add snippets wherever necessary with appropriate images to make it look more attractive. And we'll also include more use cases. Next, we see that there are Chinese language information, so we will make English translations to it. And the main focus will be on creation of concrete steps rather than abstract steps. Next, at the end of a project, we will ensure that we will make the references page a perfect and top-notch document of information. Thank you.